It started out with graphene and then it went to functions. I'm doing FOIL to solve X. Next is the expressions. Now I have to see.
Okay, let's count the number of terms. Count. 1, 2, 3. How many terms? Class, can you use Xbox? Why? Yeah, you have to look at the exponent. Half of 4 is 2. Let's put it into our Xbox now. Class, A times C? Yeah, there's your A, B, C. So A times C is 5. Class, your B value? Class, your B values. Your two numbers are 5 and 1. Raise your hand if you got that. Okay. So when I put the 5, it's going to go on the bottom. And the 1 here. Now, I want to highlight a common mistake that students are making. We are splitting 6x squared here. That's why I'm writing what here? X squared. Class, what goes in the top left? X to the 4th. How about the bottom right? 5. Whoa. Sorry. Ah, didn't keep it. Ah, damn it. 5, 1x squared, x to the 4th, 5. Alright, what goes on the outside? X squared and 5. How about on top? X squared and positive 5, negative 5. Positive 5. Okay, so I have x squared plus 5. Oh, why'd you guys say that? Good. X squared plus 5 and x squared plus 1. Yes? Okay. Okay. This is our answer for what? Factoring or solving? Factoring. Tell your partner, how do you go on to the next step? How do you solve? This was yesterday's lesson. And it shouldn't have to. Class, how do you solve? You set it equal to 0. All right, take another 60 seconds with your partner. Go ahead and solve both of those. I want to make sure you understand. Class, how many answers will you have at the end? You will have 4. Do you see how it says x to the 4? That's telling you how many answers. Some of them will be combinations of positive and negatives. Work together, raise that go. So I'm going to subtract 5. X squared equals negative 5. Class, to get rid of the power of 2, you have to what? Okay, as soon as you type square root, you should have what symbol on the next line? This is the number 1 mistake. Plus or minus. X equals. Class, what's the square root of negative 1? Where does the I go? Inside or outside? Left or right? To the right. Notice the 5 is where? Inside. So This is one of your answers. Positive I radical 5 and negative I radical 5. Raise your hand, you got that? Uh-oh. All right, let's try this one over here. Same thing, x squared equals negative 1. Square root. I'm going to have plus or minus. X equals class of square root of negative 1? I. So it's just plus or minus I. Let's count the number of solutions. 1, that's positive. 2, negative. 3, positive I. 4, negative I.
Missing formulas in life? Problems becoming too difficult to clear? Well then you need Mr. Math Cleaning Solution. Just spray the liquid formula onto the mess, then wipe it clear, and enjoy the result. Mr. Math. Stay clean and calculated. Order now at www.gpproductions.com and get an additional